Hello friends, hope that you are well. Today I'll show you how to recover your Facebook page which you delete from your Facebook. You can recover the Facebook page as it was. Log in your Facebook account. Now I want to recover a Facebook page which I deleted. This is my Facebook account logo. I'll click here. Then settings and privacy. Again settings. Wait a second. Notice that here is privacy. Just click it. Now your Facebook information. Click it. Deactivation and deletion. Reactivation. Reactivate a profile or page. Just click here. View. I will click the page which I want to recover. I want to recover my Facebook page that the name is information. Now I will reactivate the Facebook page. I will click reactivate. Just wait a second. It is working now. This is my Facebook page that I has recovered.